Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today this is just a real quick update to these Sudio Bluetooth headphones. So a lot of people are asking, can you replace these earpads? Well, the answer is simply yes. Basically all you have to do is just pry the earpad off, pinching the inside and the outer side. Work your way all the way around the headphone driver. Do this nice and slow, you don't want to tear it, and just basically pull the earpad off. Now what you need to do is you need to measure your particular headphone, whether it's the Sudio headphones or if you've got a different make. You can buy these earpads very easily and quite cheap too from eBay, AliExpress or Amazon. Make sure you get the right earpad first with the right measurement. Remove the cap from the headphones. Apply it to the earphone pad, making sure you wrap the earphone pad all the way around the plastic. You shouldn't need to glue a new one into place, and slide it into place just like so and turn, and there you go. So yeah, you can change these for any different type of colour, but I personally like these white ones here. Anyway guys, I hope this video helped, and please, if it did, go ahead and share this video, smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit the bell notification option button to stay updated on all my new uploads. Thanks for watching, and peace!